In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize an email on Mailerlite. By the end, you'll know exactly how to go from a blank account to a polished, on-brand email ready to send to your audience. First, log into your Mailerlite account. Once you're in, look over to the sidebar and click on Campaigns. This is where all of your email broadcasts live. To start a new one, click the Create Campaign button. Think of a campaign as a single email or a series you're setting up to send to your subscribers. Next, it's time to design your email. Mailerlite will first ask what type of campaign you want to create. For most people, a regular campaign works well, but there are also options like A/B split, which lets you test two versions, or RSS, which can automatically send updates from your website or blog. Choose the option that fits your goal. Then, you'll select your editor. The drag and drop editor is usually the easiest choice because it lets you visually build your email by placing content blocks wherever you want. There's also a rich text editor if you prefer a simpler, text-heavy layout, and a custom HTML option if you or your team code your own designs. If you're using drag and drop, start adding blocks like text, images, buttons, and social media icons. Click on each block to customize fonts, colors, and spacing so they match your brand. You can also use existing templates or build your own custom templates to reuse later, which saves a lot of time. As you go, paste in your actual email copy, adjust headlines, and make sure your main call to action stands out clearly. Now, set your campaign details. Give your campaign an internal name so you can easily recognize it later. Then write a compelling subject line, since this is what your subscribers will see in their inbox. Fill in your sender name and email so people know who the message is from, and add a short pre-header. This is the little preview text that appears next to the subject line and can boost your open rates. Finally, choose your recipients by selecting the groups or segments you want to reach. Before sending, always preview and test. Use the preview and test option to see how your email looks and send a test email to yourself. Open it on both desktop and mobile if you can, and check links, images, and formatting. Once you're happy, click Done Editing. You'll see a final review screen. Here, confirm all the details, then choose whether to send right away or schedule for later. You can send immediately, pick a specific date and time, or use time zone-based sending so subscribers receive the message at a local time that makes sense for them. And that's it. You've just customized and prepared a Mailerlite email campaign from start to finish.